So this is a story all about math and how it's going to change your life real fast. All you have to do is stay right there and I'm going to show you how to be aware. Now fractions, this is how we do. It's like 2 over 4 times 1 over 2. Yeah, let's go to positive integers. Okay, go. Chris goes first.
These I was born and raised on the calculator spending most of my days. Adding, subtracting, graphing integers. I got some tests that weren't so good. I wasn't the only one that didn't understand. Miss Godfrey told me I'll be a billionaire. She told me all you gotta do is study every day.
My name is Michael. I'm gonna be talking about area. You know, rectangles. 6 inches on the top, 3 inches on the side. Multiply them together, you get 18 inches. When it's an equilateral. For example, squares have the same side, 6 inches. 6 times 6 equals 36. If each side is 7 inches, multiply 7 times 7 equals 49 inches. Time to go to there.
Okay, it says about positive integers, and remember this, that math doesn't lie, so we see the graphing, look on the right side, that's when the positive integers are. Negative integers on the left side, and you know why? Because they're integers. Now let me get back to the critters outside. This can relate to all even sides, but Janet's going to talk about math.
So sorry, but we're gonna cut this video short. Now y'all know about mathematics. Now take it, Chris.
My name's Chris. I talk about math, and I'm talking about integers. You already know. Integers. Negative times 7 times negative 7, positive 49.
There's a lot about math, like coefficients and acute triangles. For example, most acute triangles have 90-degree angles, sometimes 45 degrees. Actually, 90-degree angles go through equilateral triangles because side is parallel to each other, and then the sides are parallel to each other. Yeah.
Oh, hey, okay, now, this is the last thing we're going to talk about here. It's all about math. Stay in school, it'll be easy now. All you don't have to do is fail your tests. All you're going to get is A's. You're going to be the best.